you a very happy new year, guys. Today I'm here to buy a gift for myself. Let's go. Take you to the store.
Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. A6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and age. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the. On record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. Running through it with the young influence. Adolescent presence. I'm succumbing to it. I've been giving yeses when I shouldn't do it. I complete ejected with the moves elusive. And I'm barely moving, but I'm still gon' boost them. I can't work on winnings when I know you're losing. So I work the winnings and they throw the deuces. Guess I have to pivot, shooting the bazookas for the facts. I need racks, paper, cash, good tax. That's a joke, tell them laugh. Uncle Sam, got the bag. Brody plot, but get a whack. Contract, give me the
Hi दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम आपके सामने लेके आए हैं एक थोड़ा सा लेट हो गए बट कोई बात नहीं, एक अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ द iPhone 12 Pro Max which is 256 GB। और मैं आपके सामने इसको अभी अनबॉक्सिंग करने जाऊंगा। साथ मेरे साथ मैंने कुछ एक्सेसरीज मंगाई हैं अमेजन से, जो मैं ऑलरेडी पहले मंगा रही हूँ। मैंने ऑलरेडी ओपन किया है बट स्टिल नॉट ओपन येट, सो आई एम गोना। सो ये आपका है स्क्रीन प्रोटेक्टर ग्लास, और ये मैंने मंगाया है कि स्क्रीन प्रोटेक्टर फॉर द लेंसेज, जो पीछे इसमें कैमरे होंगे उसके प्रोटेक्शन के लिए, और ये साथ में है केस। और मैं अभी आपको सब ये दिखाऊंगा खोल के और आपको बताऊंगा ये कैसे लग रहा है। ये मैंने प्री ऑर्डर किया था बिकॉज कोविड के चलते हुए हम लोग वहाँ पे शॉप में जाकर शॉपिंग नहीं कर सकते थे, इसलिए मैंने वहाँ पर ऑनलाइन बुकिंग करी और एक्सप्रेस चेकआउट के थ्रू हमने ये शॉप की है। सो आज हम आपके सामने लेके आए हैं आईफोन मोबाइल, जो आप देख सकते हैं iPhone 12 Pro Max Graphite, जो मैंने पहले से बुक कराया था। So that's seal packed, so you know see like the box is very little in comparison to the last one. So this time it's very slimmer box this time. Let's do the unboxing. And it's pretty damn good seal. The cover. As you can see, there is a phone, and what we have, that's pretty damn packed, so it won't hurt. So I'm gonna remove this one, and I'm gonna see there is a peel for for the safety sides. As I can see here, you have here two buttons for the volume up and down, and there is another push button on top of that for the ringer to make it on and off. And then it's a nice finishing. It's a good, nice graphite color. It is the previous one, like the USB cable for that, and we have a speakers right over here. And then here it's like a lock button, and I guess I don't know yet, but it looks like a finger, like a fingerprint, something like that. So okay, let's do the peel off this cover, and it looks pretty and great. Let me try to on this one, and let me see what else in the box. So we have a standard USB cable for the charging. So this time what happened, they didn't give any adapter, they just only give the cable. So I think I have to use the older one adapter for charge my mobile. So this time they didn't give that, so this is another drawback for this phone. And we have what we have right now. We have a SIM ejector pin with that, and we have a manual guidance, and we have one Apple logo sticker with that. This looks pretty. So what else with the box? So let's on this phone. So it's a pretty Apple logo when you on this phone. It has a very good finishing. I love this color. The gray is my favorite color. So now you can choose your language and your country, then you can follow on, and then I'll show you the camera. They have 3 telephotic cameras, big flashlight, and it's a pretty good finishing and the touch. This time they have made the difference. This is like a flattened one. You can see the look of the phone. So I hope this is gonna give a good videography for my other next vlogs. So you know very well this is a pretty expensive phone around the globe and the latest phone. So for its safety and security we need some accessories to guard this phone as well. So दोस्तों मैंने ऑलरेडी अमेजन से एडवांस में इसके प्रोटेक्टिव गियर्स पहले ही मैंने ऑर्डर कर चुका था, जो मैं अभी आपको दिखाऊंगा मैंने क्या क्या इसके लिए मंगाया है. सो ये है हमारा केस, आईफोन का केस है. दिस इज केस फॉर आईफोन एंड दिस इज फॉर द टेम्पर्ड ग्लास. आई एम गोना शो यू एवरीथिंग वन बाय वन. And this is which is different. I ordered this time unique, which I got in internet. So it's like a protecting for the lens. You have those lenses are have to be like very careful with that. So this time I order a separate lens for that too. I'm gonna show you right now. So this is we have the kit with that, and this is we have the, oh my goodness, they send me three pieces for this cover. So this good, if it's gonna broken I'm gonna use another one. So that's the thing with the lens protector. And this is I got case for my phone. Okay, this is I got like that transparent case, so which is जैसा मेरे फ़ोन में कलर है वैसे दिखेगा. और मैंने थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी वाला मंगाया. कभी आपको वीडियो देखनी हो तो देयर इज़ अ स्टैंड, आप लगाने के बाद ऐसे स्टैंड करके कुछ वीडियो भी देख सकते हैं साथ में. तो दिस इज़ द ट्रांसपेरेंट केस फॉर माई फोन. एंड देन आई डू हैव द ग्लास विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर आईफोन. It doesn't matter if you have a protection or Apple Care or not, but you have to give a protection to your phone. So I bought this in one case. I got like a three tempered glass. So if suppose if one gonna got broken, I'm gonna use another one. So this is stuff I have to buy those accessories with that phone. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fix it. Band kar de.
Need it from you, yeah. Crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up, it's litty wherever we float. Came from the cold, used to rest on the floor and stitch up my wounds, was born a soldier. Flipping the struggle, I'm taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is.
So guys, now my phone is ready. As you can see, it's ready to use. I have to put all my initials, country, and then everything. I'm gonna put my Apple ID, and then I'm gonna start working. And then thank you for watching me, and thank you again for patiently watching me. And I hope I'm gonna make more videos for you. Stay tuned with my channel. Thank you guys. Adios. Bye bye. Thank you.
Brush strokes, cutthroat from the low when no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. Wanna fuck me looking at the bill stack off the